You're watching the Samsung Galaxy A01 disassembly. First, remove the SIM tray. Next, get a pry tool in between the back housing and the front screen assembly and pop off the catches and take the back cover off. Now we can remove the back cover. Here's a look at the inside of the back cover. And the back is plastic. There are 16 Phillips screws which need to be removed so the top and bottom cover can come off. Now that the screws are removed, we can lift up and remove the top cover. Here's the top cover. It's plastic, nothing to it, no antenna lines that I can see. Let's go ahead and disconnect the battery cable. I'll disconnect the rest of the cables. We have a wire cable here. Pop that up. Now we need to peel off this film so we can disconnect the front facing camera. Here's your front facing camera. Let's go ahead and lift up and remove the main board. So here's your main board. Your headphone jack right here. Here's the back. You have your SIM readers over here. With the shields removed on the back, you can see there's some thermal paste on the processor. Your camera cables are located over here. If you want to disconnect them, just pop them off. You also have a thermal pad over here, which sits underneath the flash on the back housing over here. Let's remove the speaker assembly. Here's a closer look at your speaker assembly. We have one wire cable here we need to disconnect. We also have a flex cable. Disconnect that as well. Now we're going to remove the charger port board. There's a catch down here. To pop that and then lift up and remove your board. So here's the charger port board. Here's the back side. You have your microphone located right here. It's this gold piece. And it is a micro USB charger port. So you have a liquid damage indicator located right here. It's this white sticker underneath the charger port. And you have one over here by the SIM slot. You have your vibrator motor over here. Earpiece speaker up here. Your volume keys on this side with the flex cable right here. And your power button flex cable right here. Your proximity sensor cables right here. And of course your battery right here. There are no easy pull tabs to pry it off, so you're going to have to just heat it up a bit and use a pry tool to gently pry it off. So this right here is your screen cable. If your screen ever went bad or you cracked it and had to replace it, you'd have to disconnect it from the main board, remove your speaker assembly and your charger port board, and then you'd have to heat the screen up in the front, pry it off, and then apply your new screen and make sure your new screen cable is run through the slit in the mid frame and just reassemble the phone. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and put the phone back together. Once your screws are back in place, go ahead and put your back cover back over. Go ahead and power on the phone. And you're done. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.